Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start off our discussion with the next subsection, which is about male reproductive system. Let's have a look at the big picture. इस सबसेक्शन में सबसे पहले हम मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम की एनाटमी को इन डिटेल डिस्कस करेंगे एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट द हार्मोनल कंट्रोल इन द मेल्स. So let's start off with anatomy. Few questions at the very beginning of our discussion. A option is seminiferous tubules, B option is epididymis, C option is vas deferens, D option is vasa efferentia and E option is urethra. And पहली statement है हमारे पास, you see in here, the first statement we are having is which of the following may be considered as functional units of testes. तो इनमें से seminiferous tubules को हम testes के functional units के तौर पे जानते हैं. So best response would be alpha. Another statement, storage and maturation of sperms takes place at. So storage and maturation of the sperms, basically it takes place at epididymis. Another statement, which of the following is considered as urinogenital duct in males? Basically urethra in males is known as a urinogenital duct. Another question, main duct of male reproductive tract is called. तो vas deferens को हम main duct of the male reproductive system कहते हैं. Answer is Charlie. Another statement, after leaving epididymis sperms make their way to. तो जब epididymis से निकलेंगे they make their way to the vas deferens. Best response would be Charlie. Another statement, interstitial cells are present in the walls of. तो interstitial cells basically seminiferous tubules की walls में present हैं. Best response would be alpha. इन questions की reasoning को अभी हम आगे चल के discuss करते हैं.